Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How is it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Welcome to Gulf or Khaleeji Dialect playlist. Today I will give you some sentences in Gulf or Khaleeji dialect, and I will explain it to you one by one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all Arabic language dialects in my channel. So now, let's start. These are our sentences for today. Let's start with the first sentence. اقعد 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 اقعد. It's an order tense when you are talking to a male. It means sit down. اقعد, sit down. اقعد, sit down. Next sentence is خلك عاقل. خلك عاقل. خلك, it means stay. An order tense when you are talking to a male. Stay. خلك. عاقل. عاقل means sane or polite. Sane or polite. عاقل. It's an adjective for male. For female, عاقلة. Okay? But for male, sane or polite means عاقل. Together, خلك عاقل, stay sane or stay polite. خلك عاقل, stay sane or stay polite. Next sentence is ما جبتولي أكل. ما جبتولي أكل. ما, it means not. ما is a negative tool. It makes any verb after it negative. ما is not. جبتولي. جبتولي, it means you all brought to me. جبتولي, when you are talking to a group, you all brought to me. جبتولي, you all brought to me. أكل, it means food. أكل, in spoken Arabic, food in general, food. So together, ما جبتولي أكل, you haven't brought me food. ما جبتولي أكل, you haven't brought me food. Next sentence is جيبولي خبز. جيبولي خبز. جيبولي here, it's an order tense. Bring all to me. And you all bring to me. When you are ordering a group of people to bring something. جيبولي, you all bring to me. خبز, bread. خبز, bread. So together, جيبولي خبز means bring me bread. جيبولي خبز, bring me bread. When you are talking to a group of people. Next sentence is يلا ناكل. يلا ناكل. يلا ناكل. يلا, it means let's. Okay? يلا, let's. ناكل, we eat. We eat. ناكل. Together, يلا ناكل means let's eat. Let's eat. يلا ناكل. Next sentence is ويش اسمها. ويش اسمها. ويش, it means what. ويش, what. اسم, name. اسمها, her name. ويش, what. اسم, name. اسمها, her name. ويش اسمها means what is her name. ويش اسمها means what is her name. Next sentence is تبي الصدق. تبي الصدق. تبي means you want or she want. But in this sentence, you want. for male. Okay. تبي الصدق. تبي الصدق. تبي you want for male. الصدق the truth or the honesty. الصدق the truth or the honesty. So تبي الصدق, do you want honesty or do you want truth? تبي الصدق, do you want honesty or do you want truth? Next sentence is أبي الصدق. أبي الصدق. أبي in standard Arabic means my father, right? But here in Gulf dialect, أبي means I want. أبي, I want. الصدق, as we said, the honesty or the truth. الصدق, the honesty or the truth. So together, أبي الصدق means I want honesty or I want truth. أبي الصدق, I want honesty or I want truth. Next sentence is wish the. Wish the. Wish or wish, as we said, is what. Wish what. The means this for male. We are talking about male object. The for male object, this. The for female object is this. So the, this for male, the, this for female. But in this sentence it's the. So it's this for male. The, this for male. Which the, what is this? Which the, what is this? So these are our sentences for today in Gulf Khaleeji dialect. I hope that you enjoyed them and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and also you can donate to my channel and support me and support my channel. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all Arabic language dialects in my channel. And I have also Fusha Standard Arabic. And I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with a new video and a new lesson and a new dialect. So see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam. Peace.